Morning everyone, it's a rainy Sunday in November. I am on my way back down to Sussex for the third EV meetup for Sussex EVs, run by Neil Roberts and co, meeting in Billinghurst in Sussex. So hopefully it looks like following his chat with EV Opinion and everything else that the amount of people that potentially could show up today would be a lot more. I have to say a big thank you as well to both EV Opinion and Neil for mentioning my channel on that video. It's helped me no end in terms of extra views and a few more subscribers, so again, greatly appreciated for that. If you do get a chance to check out EV Opinion, great site, really knowledgeable, and does some absolutely great videos. So please do check him out, and I'll put a link in the video below. So anyway, we'll have a look and see what's going on at the meetup and see what's what. So here we are in Billinghurst again for the monthly meetup for Sussex EVs, and massive turnout with about 27 electric cars, so awesome work. That's good shout out to EV Opinion and Ryan for helping that along for Neil, but it's a good turnout anyway. So we're gonna have a little look around some of the cars. You can see in the background there's an Ioniq, i3s, Leafs. We've got Teslas, we've got Zoes, we've got a Tesla Roadster, which I'll take a look around in a minute.
He's super rich because he took every single one.
So nice Tesla Roadster. Just trying to get fully electric, one of the first ones, which is pretty awesome. So Hyundai Kona, 64 kilowatt, 300 mile range.
Car's wonderful, but free charging.
It's actually playing the music as well.
So the display looks very much like the Zoe, doesn't it? Yes.
Come in, you will.
It's like Tesla envy.
Yeah, just a bit.
Every time I see him Tesla, I'm like, oh, one.
Yeah.